Hey there, science fans. Ever wondered how we see the world around us in all its vibrant colors? It's all thanks to an amazing organ, the human eye. Think of your eye like a really cool camera, capturing light and sending those signals to your brain. Just like a camera has a lens, our eyes have a lens too, which helps focus light onto a screen at the back of the eye called the retina. The front part of your eye, the cornea, is like a window that lets light in. It's clear and curved, and it does most of the initial bending of light. After passing through the cornea, light travels through the pupil, the dark circle in the center of your eye. The pupil can change size to control how much light enters the eye. Behind the pupil is the eye's lens, a flexible structure that further bends the light. The lens can change shape thanks to tiny muscles, allowing us to focus on objects at different distances. This process is called accommodation. The colored part of your eye, the iris, surrounds the pupil and controls its size by changing shape. Once the light is focused by the cornea and lens, it hits the retina. The retina is like a movie screen at the back of your eye. It's covered in millions of light-sensitive cells called photoreceptors. There are two main types, rods and cones. Rods are super sensitive to light and help us see in low light, but they don't see color. Cones, on the other hand, are responsible for our color vision. When light hits the photoreceptors, it triggers chemical reactions that generate electrical signals. These signals are then sent through the optic nerve, a thick cable-like structure, to the brain. The brain is the real hero here. It takes these electrical signals and interprets them, creating the images we see. Pretty amazing, right? The human eye is incredibly complex and sensitive, allowing us to perceive a wide range of colors and details. We can see everything from the delicate petals of a flower to the vast expanse of the night sky. But sometimes our vision isn't perfect. Our vision isn't. Just like any other part of our body, our eyes can experience problems. Some people are born with vision problems, while others develop them over time. One common vision problem is myopia, also known as nearsightedness. People with myopia have trouble seeing distant objects clearly. This happens when the eyeball is too long or the cornea is too curved, causing light to focus in front of the retina instead of directly on it. The result, blurry vision for faraway objects. Another common vision problem is hypermetropia, also known as farsightedness. In this case, people have difficulty seeing close-up objects clearly. This occurs when the eyeball is too short or the cornea is not curved enough, causing light to focus behind the retina. This makes it hard to focus on things that are up close. The good news is that both myopia and hypermetropia can be corrected with eyeglasses or contact lenses. Eyeglasses and contact lenses work by bending the light entering the eye, making sure it focuses correctly on the retina. It's like giving your eyes a little help to see clearly. Now let's talk about some cool things light can do. Light doesn't always travel in a straight line. It can bend or refract when it passes from one medium to another, like from air to water. That's why a straw in a glass of water looks bent at the surface. Refraction is also responsible for the beautiful rainbows we see after a rainstorm. When sunlight enters raindrops, it gets refracted and dispersed into its different colors, just like a prism. The light then reflects off the back of the raindrop and is refracted again as it exits, creating a spectrum of colors in the sky. Another fascinating phenomenon caused by light is scattering. Scattering is when light is redirected in many different directions as it passes through a medium. The blue color of the sky is a result of Rayleigh scattering, where blue light is scattered more strongly by the tiny particles in the atmosphere. During sunsets, we see red and orange hues because the sunlight has to travel through more of the atmosphere, scattering away the shorter wavelengths like blue and green, leaving the longer wavelengths like red and orange to reach our eyes. So there you have it. From how our eyes work to the magical ways light behaves, understanding these concepts helps us appreciate the wonders of the world around us. Keep those peepers peeled for more amazing science in action.